Hi, I'm Victor Paul, and I am an advocate for Enjoy. Today I'm going to show you an old classic done in a new way, the French twist modernized. The preparation on the French twist that I'm going to be doing today is so important. Today I'm going to be using a ton of thermal spray. Thermal spray is great. It has great memory, it has great hold, it's a heat protectant, and it's just a great product to use. I'm going to be using it all throughout all the prepping of this hair. Today I'm just going to be prepping her hair using the baby crimping iron. If you don't have one, go out and buy one. They are going to become your new friend. They give such a great texture, such movement to the hair, such volume. It is going to be your new favorite. So I suggest try one. So what I'm going to be doing on Chantel, my gorgeous model here, is I'm just going to be basically crimping her whole entire head, just so that way I could create some extra volume in her hair. I'm going to be using the thermal spray. I'm going to be spraying each section, taking my comb, combing it through, and then I'm just going to be crimping it all the way down, root to ends. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop each section by section, and I'm going to crimp the whole entire head. As you guys could see, I have finished crimping all of Chantel's hair. It just gives us really cool texture. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to break it up all with just a wet brush, just to break up that hair and just create a little bit more volume. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go in here with a little bit of the Enjoy finishing hairspray. I really like this hairspray for one reason. It's a good working hairspray and it's light, and I could layer it. I could layer it and layer it and layer it to make it a little bit harder and harder, and then afterwards I could come in with the firm hold. But for a working hairspray, it's one of the best. So I'm just going to lightly spray her hair all over. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to back comb all of her hair. So I'm just going to create tons and tons of volume. I'm just back combing on the base only, not necessarily the ends. The ends will just work their way in. I'm noticing right through here it's a little bit softer, so I'm going to go ahead and give it another spray of the hair finishing spray. It's just a great working hairspray. So you guys can see that I've gone in here and just back combed it and created just this extra volume. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little part on the side. I'm going to kind of place the hair this way. And then what's important to do is I'm going to take this hair, just lightly just brush it up and over. So I'm brushing it up and over. I'm holding the hair right here with my hand, lightly hairspraying it. I'm taking my bobby pins and I'll take the end of my rat tail and kind of just pull it out because I want extra volume. I don't want to be next to her head, so I'm going to pull it out, create a little extra volume there. Secure these bobby pins that have come loose. You can see like this one has come loose, no big deal. Just go in underneath it, lock it down. So now what I'm going to do is on this side, I'm going to lightly hairspray it. I'm going to take all this hair from this side, bring it over here, place it in. I'm going to put my finger down, grab the hair with my thumb on the top, my finger down. I'm going to take it and twist. Then literally with one bobby pin, it usually stays in place, but I like to secure it a little bit more. And now for a little bit more fun, I just like to take a regular old bandana, wrap it up, take it here, place it here, tie a little knot right on the part side. You want little pieces to pop out. You don't want perfection. You want it to be a little bit messy. And that's my take on the classic French twist modernized.